This is the 23rd of November 2016. Presently, I'm here in Makati in the Philippines, preparing myself prior to my departure for London this coming 25th. I am staying here in a hotel called Picasso Boutique Serviced Residences, and so far I'm very much impressed with how the hotel is. In booking.com, where I booked myself for this hotel, the review is 8.8 stars, so it's really quite impressive in one way or another. So far with my initial reactions, it has totally blown my mind really of how good and spacious the hotel really is. So for now, I'm going to give you a quick review or tour of what my hotel room is. Presently, I'm in room 618 on the 6th floor, and staying in other hotels before in the past, I am quite impressed with this one. It is widely spacious. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick tour of how my room really looks like and how it is set up. So far, this is the main door. This is the hallway. My ref is there, with matching lights once you open the cupboard. This is the hallway that leads to the hotel room. Basically on this side is a service counter, a mini kitchen, where you could even cook here because it's like a studio style hotel room. Microwave, faucets, coffee makers, some cabinets for storage. Going down to the main corridor, my hallway rather, this is the living room. Look how lovely, spacious it is. Vast interior expanse of the room. Television is there. I even got my own study table. A balcony overlooking Makati. And onto this side is my bedroom, where Teddy is, if you could see him presently. I think it's much more of the contemporary modern feel how the hotel setup has been. Outside within the walls there's like imitation arts of Picasso, so it totally lives up to its name, which is Picasso Boutique Serviced Residences. So probably an inspiration of Picasso down there. And I'm going to bring you down to my bedroom with this huge divide that leads to the bedroom. And this is my bedroom. Another balcony towards the bedroom. So far for now, because it's night, I put on the curtains. A little corridor down there where I walk in, not necessarily a walk-in closet, but like a semi-walk-in closet. My luggage jar, my backpack, another work of art of a probable Picasso, or Picasso inspired probably. Going down to the living room, and I'm going to bring you down to the bathroom. The bathroom itself is very, very impressive. If you go down in, it's really, really big and spacious. My bathtub. Look at the expanse of that bathtub. Very, very impressive. There's a glass panel on the sides that basically goes down into the hallway of my room. It's not totally transparent, it's cloudy or cloudy effect window, so that you would still be able to preserve your modesty in one way or another. But the expanse of this bathroom is very, very impressive. Big. The toiletries. We've got the dryers, the whole shebang. Toilet. So aside from the what do you call this, the tub itself, they've got the individual shower as well. The shower is just down here. Supply you with lots of towels and a bedrobe. That's the view towards my bedroom from the bathroom. Impressive lightings. It's a bit dim, but if I may, you know how it is with contemporary fixatures, as well as the setup of the room. It's still quite good. Very good. Minimalist, but impressive nevertheless. So my cabinets, my bits and bobs, lots of storage space to put in. Practically, it's like an condominium or the posh apartment you could stay in. Very, very spacious. Give you once again a quick view of the living room, going towards the hallway where my room is. Okay, that's it for now. I do hope you were able to enjoy the tour of my hotel room that I'm presently booking. Till over and out, pray for me that I will be okay in my travel towards London, because another new chapter is opening up for me down up there. Till then, God bless and good night. Bye.